Good morning, my dear children. This is Tarangani. Welcome back to EVS class, children. Let us start today's session. Children, today also will continue the lesson 10 water. Children, in previous video, we learn about uses of water and sources of water. Today we learn about drinking water. Children, we must drink clean water only. Children, when we are drinking water, we must sure that our water is clean and pure. Okay, when we before drinking water, we must sure that our water is clean and pure water. We must always drink clean water. Dirty water can make us ill, children. Dirty water can make us ill. Okay, children. Water from rivers, ponds and lakes may not be clean and safe for drinking, children. That water is not good for our health, because in that river water, pond water, so many microorganisms like bacteria, virus, some harmful germs are there in that water. Okay, dust is there in that water, dirt is there on that water. If you drink that unclean water, we'll get so many diseases, children. Okay, so we should always drink clean water. So the government, what they will do, they will clean that river water in water treatment plants. This is water treatment plant, children. Here government, what they will do, they will clean that water in this plant. After that, cleaning over, they will keep that storage this water in this water tank. After that, they will distribute that water to our houses through pipes. This is one method, children. What the government can do, this can only, they can't send the water directly to our homes, because that river water, stream, pond water directly we can't drink. If you drink such a type of water, we'll get diseases. So that is not good for our health. So what the government is doing, they'll clean that water in water treatment plant. So after that only they will send that water to our homes through our pipes. Okay, children. So we have to follow some clean some what I have to say, we should also follow some good methods for cleaning that water. We can also follow, what are the methods, what are the purifying methods, I'll say, children. Okay, nowadays water is also purified by using electronic water filters. We can use electronic water filters. This is one method for for purifying water. This is one method. We can use water filters, electronic water filters. Okay, next after that, what we can do, if the government is sending the water to our homes through pipes, we can store that water in a clean vessel or clean pot. Okay, we have to keep that water in a clean vessel or in a clean pot. We have to cover that pot with a clean plate also. Okay, we have to use the clean glass also, children, before drinking water. If you want to take the water from that vessel, we should use clean water. Okay, this is one method. What I'm saying, always drink clean water. So water from water purify also we can drink. Another method is very good method, children. This is boiling method. Water boil, if you boil that water, if you drink that water, that is very good method, children. In this way we can purify the water. Okay, if you want to boil that water, the germs in that water will die, so will not get any diseases. This is very good method, children. If we don't have water filters at our home, we can use this method, but always we should drink clean water only. Again and again I'm saying, we must either filter the water or boil it before drinking, especially during the rainy season, because in the rainy season we'll get the disease quickly, cold, cough, everything. So especially in rainy season, we should drink boiled water only, children. Okay, that is good for our health. Okay, what I'm saying, we can't drink rivers and ponds and lakes water directly. So if you drink that water, we'll get disease, because in that rain water or in pond water, in that water in the rivers, so in that water, so many germs, dust, dirt are there. If you drink that water directly, we'll get diseases. So we have to purify the water. We can use water filters, or we can boil that water. Okay, we have to store that water in a clean vessel also, important, children. We have to store that water in a clean vessel also, important. What the government is doing, children, They will use, see, they will take that water from this river, see, pump intake here. So different process are there here. They water filter that water here, and then after filtering over, they will store that water in this tank. After that, they will send the water to our homes through pipes. Okay, children, this is one method. Government is using this method, but at home also we have to use some methods for purifying. What we can use, water filter or electronic filter, or if you don't have water filters, we can boil that water. This is very best method, children. If you drink everyday boiled water, that is very good for our health. Will not get any diseases quickly. Okay, children. Children, already I said water from rivers and lakes may not be clean and safe. I said, see, this is the reason. I said already. Directly, we can't drink water from rivers and ponds. Why? See how we are polluting the water. See, children, a lot of water pollution comes from human activities only, children. We only the reason, we only the polluting the water a lot, children. Due to human activities, our water is getting more and more polluted day by day, children. We are throwing household garbage into this water sources, children. See, some people, what they will do, they'll throw that garbage. If they have river near to their house, they'll throw that garbage in that rivers. So this is the one reason. Some people, what they will do, they'll wash their clothes in that rivers or ponds, clean the vessels. They'll wash their animals in this river water or lake water, pond, or whatever it may be. In this way also, we are polluting the water. So if what we are doing here, see this picture there, washing their animals in this water. So if we drink such a type of water, this water, what will do, what will happen, children? Will get diseases. So we are the reasons, we are only polluting the water, children. See, if we drink such a type of polluted, what will happen? We'll get many diseases like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea. So this is not good for health. That's why I said we should uh, purify the water before drinking. We can't drink water from the rivers and ponds directly. We should use water purifiers, or we have to boil that water and we have to drink water. This is the reason. That's why I'm saying we can't drink ponds and river water directly, because we only polluting that water pollution. We are facing nowadays, we are facing a lot of water problems. Yes or no? Water pollution also, we are the reason for polluting the water. So what we are doing, I said already, we are throwing the household garbage into the water sources. Again, what the many people wash their clothes, clean their vessels, wash their animals in the sources of water. Okay. Industrial waste also one reason, children. Industrial waste are discharged into the water. See, they are discharging the industrial waste into this river. Okay, this is also one reason. So in this ways, we are only polluting the water. Polluted water also affect for the aquatic life also. Water animals are there na. For that animals also, it's very dangerous, children. So what we have to do with we need not to make sure that we do not pollute water. We should not pollute water. Domestic activities like bathing, washing, clothing should not be done in rivers. What I'm saying, domestic activities like bathing, washing, clothing should not be done in rivers and ponds, etc. Household garbage we should not throw in the various water sources also. Okay, children. So we have to follow some rules, children. We should not pollute that water. This is only for harm for us only. If you pollute that water, if you drink that water, that is for us only very harm na. We'll get so many diseases, children. Please, I'm saying, we also have to we have also responsibility. This is our country, yes or no? We should also follow some rules and regulations. So we should not pollute the water. We should not do such activities like throwing garbage into the rivers or ponds or whatever it may be, water bodies. Or we should not clean the vessels. We should not wash our animals in this river water, pond water. We should not do such a type of things, children. Again, I'm saying, before drinking water, you should should drink purified water only or boiled water only. If you drink dirty water, you'll get diseases like cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, like that. Okay, so don't drink dirty water. Always you should drink clean water only. And at the same time, we should not pollute the water. We should not do such a type of activities, what I said before. Okay, we should not do activities like washing, bathing, cleaning in river water, or throwing the dust into the river water, pond water, whatever it may be. So such a type of activities should not, children. This is our country, so we have to keep our surroundings clean. We have to follow some rules and regulations. Okay, children. Children, we should save water, children. We should save water, children. As our population grow, we need more and more water. At the same time, we need pure and clean water also. Today's problem is shortage of water. Today's problem is shortage of water. Children, our earth is made up of 75% of water, 25% of land. Again, I'm saying this points already I said. Again, I'm saying our earth is made up of 75% of water, 25% of land. But from 75% of water, only 2% of water is usable. Rest of all is salty water of oceans and seas. Only 2% only. Imagine, very less for the whole world. So it is very important to save the water, children. All things will die if there is no water. So we should not waste water, children. Don't waste water while bathing and washing. Children, don't waste water while you are taking bathing. Okay, we should get leaking taps fixed as soon as possible. Some in the house we can observe water taps are leaking, so the water is wasting, so water is coming outside, it's it's falling down only na. So we should not allow that. We should not we should get leaking taps fixed as soon as possible. We should not let the tap run when we are doing brushing or teeth. When we are doing brushing or we do not we do not let we should not let the tap run, children. Okay, we can reuse the water also, children. In this way also we can save the water. For example, when you wash the vegetables and fruits, after washing that remaining water you can pour to the plants. This is one method. Water is very precious, children. Do not waste it. Keep the tap closed when you are not using it. Place a bucket under a leaking pipe to collect the water. We must use water when it needed. So it's we must use water when we need it, then only we should use water. Okay, children, we should use the water, washing water after you're washing the vegetables, so we can pour that water to the plants. So plants use that water, plants also need water now. So in this we can save the water. So we can store the water in the water tanks. Okay, yes or no? So we have to use that water carefully. Okay, carefully. Okay, because water is very precious. Without water we cannot live, children. Okay, children, let us recall all the points what we learn in this lesson. Okay, all living things need water to live. So all the living plants, animals, human beings, every living thing need water to live. Without water we can't live. Yes or no? Water is used for drinking, cooking, washing clothes, bathing, washing utensils, watering plants, etc. For so many things we'll use water. For everything we need water only. Next, what is the main source of water, children? The main source of water is rain. Okay, the main source of water is rain. Rainwater fills the rivers and ponds, etc. Rainwater only fills the rivers and ponds. Some of the rainwater goes into the soil. That what we call underground water. I already said that point. Some of the rainwater goes into the soil. So that water we are calling as the underground water. We dig wells and the tube wells to get water from underground or under the soil. Okay, we must always drink clean water only. Okay, children, we must always drink clean water only. Children, now I'll give you one activity. Draw any two sources of water. Draw any where we are getting water, children. Rain picture you can draw. Okay, river picture you can draw. So that's your wish, but you should draw neatly, colorfully, and send to me. Okay, children. Thank you, children.